Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. This forecast of the value of Shiba Inu coins will shock you. $2 in a single night. The 27th of August saw a fall in cryptocurrency prices, with Bitcoin trading below the 21,000 barrier. At 20F298, the biggest and most popular cryptocurrency in the world traded over 6% lower. According to CoinGecko, the worldwide crypto market cap surpassed 1 trillion today, despite falling more than 6% in the last 24 hours, standing at 1.02 trillion. This video will go over a Shiba Inu coin price prediction that you won't believe. 2 overnight. Shiba updates. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get the video started. Second largest cryptocurrency Ether, which is associated with the Ethereum blockchain, fell more than 10% to 105.9 on August 27. As anticipation for the merge, an impending network software upgrade, grew, Ether's price began to outperform the cryptocurrency market as a whole. New details regarding the impending upgrade were disclosed earlier this week by the Ethereum Foundation, suggesting that everything is proceeding according to plan. Improvement is scheduled to be finished between September 10th and 20th according to the release. At the same time, Shiba Inu was down about 10% at 0.013, while Doge was down more than 7% at 0.06. Binance USD, Polygon, Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche, and Tether were among the other cryptocurrency prices that fell today, joining BNB, Chainlink, Appcoin XRP, Uniswap, Tron, Litecoin, Stellar, Binance USD, and a host of others. After Jerome Powell cautioned against hastily loosening monetary policy, cryptocurrency prices fell in line with global markets. Bitcoin has now found a stable price at the bottom of the narrow range it has been trading in for the previous 2 weeks. The price has fluctuated between 20,000 and 22,000 since last Friday. In order to combat inflation, U.S. Central Bank Chief Powell hinted that interest rates will likely remain elevated for some time. Any speculation that the Fed will soon change its stance was met with his strong opposition. Due to the Federal Reserve's rate hikes in response to persistently high inflation, cryptocurrencies had a terrible first half of the year. Several cryptocurrency companies have laid off workers, and other cryptocurrency lenders have frozen client withdrawals after a big pair of tokens collapsed. Amidst excitement about its upcoming merging upgrade, number 2 cryptocurrency, Ether, has performed even better than Bitcoin, which has rebounded from its mid-June lows. On Thursday, as market leaders like Ethereum and Bitcoin took a break, the digital asset market witnessed massive losses, sending the second largest crypto meme coin, Shiba Inu, into a wild price and burning spree. According to Shib portal, the rate of SHIB burn has increased after 1/3 of a billion Shiba Inu were delivered to unspendable wallets. An active Shiba Inu token burner tweeted that Amazon and the new Shib portal had a role in the elimination of some of this amount. CoinMarketCap reports that Shiba is now trading about 0.001 and has a market valuation of 8.01 billion, making it the 12th biggest cryptocurrency. The expectations around the launch of Shiba and a recent jump in the token's burn rate are the main factors driving size upward price movement. Burning around 110 million SHIB tokens in the last 24 hours brings the total number of SHIB tokens burned to 40% of the total supply, according to data from Shibburn. According to data from Dune Analytics, the Shiba Inu team's popular DEX platform Shibuswap has also witnessed an increase in its user base. If hearing about the innovative digital payment system wasn't enough to get people pumped up and optimistic, before we go any further, there was further pertinent news that backed up the breaking news of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, which was once trending worldwide. One reason Shiba Inu has taken off is because it is now a popular cryptocurrency spot trading option on well-known, centralized exchanges throughout the world. During a particularly challenging period for the digital assets market, has joined a growing number of controlled crypto exchanges. Listing on well-known CEX has made the SABE token economy more accessible to a wider range of traders and investors, which has the potential to boost daily transaction volume. No new information has emerged regarding SABE recently. All signs point to the decentralized Shiba Inu community getting closer to its aim of standing out as a serious contender in the global payment and banking industries. What the Shiba Inu crew has been up to is plainly shown by the Visa burn card and their recent postings on the exchange. In the wake of the Federal Reserve's announcement of a 0.75% increase in inflation, the value of the SHIB coin has risen, while the value of several other cryptocurrencies has fallen. The new Visa burn card, with its improved burn function, is great news for Shiba Inu owners and specialists both, as is the expansion of the card's listing options. Having said that, the Shiba Inu community and team have made it clear that they intend to continue working on improving the ecosystem and the Shiba Inu token usage method. The coin's value can skyrocket to $2 if this fantastic news gets out. It appears that this is the first step towards future advancements for Shiba Inus. Despite what many are describing as a full-on bear market and the arrival, or possibly not even the beginning, of the much-anticipated crypto winter, the faithful SHIB army has made it clear that they intend to continue making progress as the market remains in a relatively day-to-day outlook amid increased interest in inflation rate uncertainty and other variables impacting the volatility of all markets. Major changes are on the horizon for this coin this year and might cause its value to skyrocket. According to crypto experts, this project will be completely transformed by two significant Shiba Inu developments, the Shibarium and the Shiburus. Many are looking forward to the effects of Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution on this coin, built on the Ethereum network, which Shiba Inu is a part of. Shibarium is a mechanism for scaling Ethereum. Users will spend much less gas to transact SHIB once the Shiba Inu project launches this scaling protocol. Some Ethereum whales have been losing weight recently. At the moment, they're concentrating on Shiba Inu, a meme coin that has a large and engaged user base. On the other hand, the price has been uncooperative. Ethereum whales, who have consistently appeared to be the cryptocurrency's most vocal advocates, have drastically cut down on their holdings since the downturn began. Top Ethereum whales' total SHIB holdings surpassed 1 billion during the height of the Shiba Inu surge. This persisted for some time because token holders were under the impression that the digital asset will eventually cancel out any additional zeros. However, this has never been the case. Ethereum whales started selling off their holdings a few months later. Sometime in the past 2 months, we've seen their total collective bag shrink to approximately 500 million. Many whales are still holding and some are even increasing their positions. A little over 160 million is the current total value of the ships owned by the biggest Ethereum whales. So, the whales have sold off approximately 300 million worth of assets in the past 30 days. A price pool of 555 BONE has been offered for eligible users participating in the sign-up, deposit, and trade event in connection with BONE Shiba Swap by the Singapore-based MEXC exchange, as published on the official SHIB Twitter feed. Among the first exchanges to list the Shiba Inu ecosystem governance token, MEXC Global added BONE support in January of this year. Today states that the leading cryptocurrency exchange has just launched a USDC pair, further increasing support for Shiba Inus. With its announcement in July 2021, MEXC became one of the first exchanges to list the Shiba Inu, making it possible to trade on its platform, even if there are fewer than 65,000 bones available for cultivation. Interest in the property is high. The Shiba Inu community decided to end bone farming in June after reaching 230 million mining tokens. Shibarium validators were supposed to receive the remaining 20 million tokens. There will only ever be 250,000 bone tokens in circulation. The day came to an end with that. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up.